Traveling can be an exhilarating experience, but it often comes with a price tag, and one of the most significant expenses is accommodation. If you're a savvy traveler looking to make the most of your budget, you're in the right place. In this guide, we will delve into the top 3 strategies that can help you secure a wallet-friendly hotel room. These strategies are not just about finding any place to stay, they're about getting the best bang for your buck while ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable stay. So, let's uncover the secrets to unlocking affordable hotel accommodations without sacrificing quality. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Book in advance. Planning your hotel stay well in advance can be a strategic move to ensure you secure budget-friendly accommodation options. Many hotels offer significantly lower rates for rooms that are booked ahead of time. This approach becomes particularly advantageous if your travel dates are firmly set, allowing you to commit to specific booking dates. By taking the time to plan ahead, you not only lock in lower prices but also open up a broader spectrum of room choices. It's important to note that popular hotels tend to fill up rapidly, especially during peak travel seasons, making early booking a prudent choice. Keep an attentive eye out for early booking discounts, special promotions, or enticing package deals that can provide you with even more substantial savings on your overall travel expenses. 2. Compare prices online. In today's digital age, an array of online platforms is dedicated to assisting travelers in their quest to find the most enticing hotel deals. Websites and mobile applications such as Expedia, Booking.com, and TripAdvisor have made it exceptionally convenient to compare prices offered by various hotel providers, thus simplifying the process of identifying cost-effective options. Beyond these well-known platforms, you can also explore aggregator websites and search engines that consolidate results from multiple booking sites simultaneously. These invaluable tools offer a comprehensive overview of the myriad accommodation choices available, enabling you to swiftly pinpoint the most economical rates, special discounts, or exclusive coupons. By harnessing the capabilities of online resources, you empower yourself to make well-informed decisions that perfectly align with your budgetary constraints.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
3. Flexibility with dates and locations. Being flexible with your travel plans can be a significant advantage in securing affordable hotel accommodations. Prices can fluctuate based on factors such as the time of year, day of the week, and specific events or holidays. To find the best deals, consider traveling during the off-peak season when demand is lower and prices are more competitive. Additionally, if you're willing to adjust your location preferences, you may discover hidden gems in less central or touristy areas that offer lower rates while still providing convenient access to the attractions you want to visit. By embracing flexibility in your travel plans, you can maximize your savings and potentially enjoy a more unique and budget-friendly experience. Remember that while these strategies can help you find a cheap hotel room, it's essential to strike a balance between cost and comfort. Carefully read reviews, research the hotel's amenities, and consider factors like transportation, accessibility, and safety to ensure that your chosen accommodation meets your expectations and needs during your trip. In the world of travel, a little strategy can go a long way, especially when it comes to finding budget-friendly hotel rooms. By booking in advance, comparing prices online, and being flexible with your travel plans, you can score significant savings without compromising on the quality of your stay. These strategies empower you to make the most of your travel budget, freeing up resources to explore, savor local cuisine, and create lasting memories. So, armed with these top strategies, embark on your next adventure with confidence, knowing that you can enjoy the perfect blend of affordability and comfort in your hotel accommodations. Happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with incredible experiences and even better savings. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.